Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back.
Usame mamkhulu sheshe mbhemi.
Yaphim. Sesiya eGateway, sesihamba for shopping. Imali ikhona, sayicela.
Hayibo. Umthetho wakho manje nasuyasakana.
Incane endini masosuka.
Siyahlupha because sifonela ubaba ukuthi sifuna more money.
Incane.
Ngicabanga ukuthi bazama nje ukuthi bangibambe ngeza sokuthi angikho. Angithi kulula ukuthi mangikhona umuntu angacela nami bese ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ngoba ngikhona angimenzele. Imali engekho ngisho esitolo. Anike esitolo.
Ilo ifakile. Uzosifakela yini esitolo uma ngabe sizolinda esitolo ukuze sikutshele ukuthi imali encane.
Ngicabanga ukuthi futhi ke bekunakho ukudlala ngoba bebazi ukuthi le mali abanayo izokwazi ukuthi banikeze lezi zinto lezi ekufuneka ukuthi bayithole.
Uyamazi umashonisa uzosikhokhisa ngani? Uyavuma. Ngakho konke azokukhetha umashonisa ke siyakhokha.
Like I was teasing him because like I had money, wayenyikile imali and imali anginayo was enough.
Bye. Siplan ukuthi siye eGateway vele mostly mesiyo shop vele sihlezi sizoya eGateway mesila because vele sihlala la around Durban. Inezitolo eziningi esizithandayo.
I'm used to shopping nabo sisibami. Kumnandi nje because siyaxoxa nokuthi mawulinganisa something uyakubuka uyakuncoma umuhle and ukuthola nje nene opinion like correct yabo umuntu ongamthemba ukuthi no lo right wasekhaya ngeke angimislead.
Leya angisayithatha lalela lana ngicela ushele ngubo nayingubo emnyama nje. I black and pale, this is black and white. Kwenza amahlobo. And the material ayifani. Oh. Yeah. Uthini? Hayibo yini? Move. Hi, rice.
And the short dress that I bought, ngiyayithanda kakhulu and yazi ukuthi sizosithi sinomthombeni kodwa ngeke ngigqoke mangabe khona.
Hayi ke niyazibonela bethunana, niyazibonela nani ukubana those were the good old days when all the wives they used to refer each other to abosis bami, we are family. Kwakumandi man, like everyone was laughing, everyone having so much fun. They were busy teasing umthombeni koze kwakhala nyonini nkosi yami. Isithembu sasimnandi ekuqaleni nje with the third, the fourth wife, and kwasukela lapho-ke umthombeni sekasithi he wants a fifth wife. These ladies used to be so happy, like they used to be so happy nkosi yami. They were so happy, like happy. You could see even uMangwabe, the one that we think now she's always quiet and moody, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.